Hello viewers, DV Zealand welcomes you to another episode of NMMS exam preparation, SAT 48th video, Biology 10th, Class 7 General Science, 13th chapter, Seed Dispersal. Question number 1. Seeds are carried from one place to another so that they get suitable conditions to grow. This is called dash of seeds. Correct answer, dispersal. Question number 2. Why are seeds dispersed? Correct answer. To avoid competition with the mother plant for air, water and minerals. Question number 3. The example for dispersal through wind occurs in. Correct answer. All the above. Milkweed, dandelion, tridux. Question number 4. The example for dispersal through water occurs in. Correct answer. Both A and B. Coconut and lotus. Question number 5. The bird that eats fruits and disperses seeds through its dropping is. Correct answer. All the above. Bulbul, myna, crows. Question number 6. Upon drying, pod or the capsule of seeds explodes, releasing the seeds with a great force in the surroundings. Happens in. Correct answer. All the above. Bhendi, mustard, seeds of pea family. Question number 7. Some seeds grow in capsules which when touched burst and, and uncoil with a force such a way that they scatter the seeds all around. Example for it is. Correct answer. Balsam. Question number 8. The animal that hides nuts underground and sometimes forget about them, thus causing the plants grow from the nuts is. Correct answer. Squirrel. Question number 9. The sugar cane, which is used worldwide for production of sugar, is native to. Correct answer. India. Question number 10. Why do plants produce a large number of seeds? Correct answer. All the above. All seeds don't germinate. Some seeds never germinate to produce new plants. Some seeds germinate but plants die before maturation. Question number 11. A mustard plant produces more than dash seeds in its lifetime. Correct answer 10,000. Question number 12. The entire globe will be covered with mustard plants within a period of dash if all the seeds produced by a mustard plant germinate to grow into adult plants. Correct answer 6 years. Question number 13. Seed dispersal is essential for dash of plants. Correct answer survival. Question number 14. How are the seeds dispersed in caltropis? Correct answer wind. Question number 15. Why do most of the coconut trees grow along the sea shores? Correct answer. Their seeds are dispersed through water. Question number 16. Some seeds like soap nuts have very hard shell. Why is it so? Correct answer. To survive even in unfavorable conditions. Question number 17. Dash travelers came to trade in India. They left the seeds of vegetables like tomato, cauliflower, guava, pear on their return. Correct answer European. Question number 18. Import and export of grains like wheat, pulses, maize, paddy is an example for the dispersal of seeds by. Correct answer human beings. Question number 19. Seeds that are dispersed through air are usually. Correct answer all the above. Very light, very small, with wings or some hairy structures on them. Question number 20. Match the following. Correct option 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Orchids, inflated covering. Maple, wings like outgrowths. Cotton, hairy structures. Neem, bird droppings. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with the next lesson. Thank you.